Hello kids, how are you all? So in the last video we have discussed with you the shortcut keys which are used in this chapter. Yes, lesson number 9 we are discussing. हम लोग lesson number 9 revise कर रहे थे. And I had discussed with you the fill in the blanks, true, false, multiple choice questions and your answer in one word. Then yesterday I had sent you a video of shortcut keys. Please write those shortcut keys in your notebook and learn it. Now today we are going to revise your answer the following. Yes, day by day we are revising the things, and please I want you to read and learn those things regularly. So let's start revising your question answers of this chapter, that is your lesson number 9, fun with paint. So let's begin with the first question. The first question says, what are the various selection tools in MS Paint? Explain any one. Now all of you know what are the various selection tools. The various selection tool used in MS Paint are rectangular selection tool and freeform selection tool. See, when you click on this select option, जब आप ये select option पे click करोगे, you will see there are two selection tools here. आपकी two selection tools यहाँ पे present है. One is your rectangular selection tool and the second one is your freeform selection tool. Okay, so the various selection tools used in MS Paint are rectangular selection tool and freeform selection tool. Now in the question it is said that explain any one. So all of you know that the rectangular selection tool selects the object in a rectangular form. Rectangular selection tool क्या करता है? It selects the object in a rectangular form. So I hope now the first question is clear to you. Question is, what are the various selection tools in MS Paint? Explain any one. So the various selection tools used in MS Paint are rectangular selection tool and freeform selection tool. Then we have to explain it. So rectangular selection tool selects the object in a rectangular form. Clear? Now let's move on to the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is, what are the two ways to flip a picture? Explain any one. Now let me show it to you on the screen. Okay, so all of you know that this rotation, this option is used for your rotation and flip also. See, rotate or flip. Now, what are the two ways to flip a picture? The two ways to flip a picture are horizontally और vertically. या तो आप vertically उस picture को flip करोगे या फिर आप horizontally picture को flip करोगे. Okay, so the two ways to flip a picture are horizontally or vertically. So now clear what are the two ways to flip a picture? Now let's move on to the next question, question number 3. How will you create a call out shape in Paint? Now आप Paint program में call out shape कैसे बनाओगे? It is asked in this question. ये question में ये पूछा है. Now let me show it to you. See, to draw a call out shape in Paint, first you have to click on any of the call out shapes. See, these are the three call out shapes here. आप देखो यहाँ पर ये आपके तीनों call out shapes हैं. One is the rectangular call out shape, second one is oval call out shape, and third one is cloud call out shape. So you can choose any of the call out shape from here. Choose the color. Yes, click on any of the call out shape from the shapes group. Then click and drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area. आप mouse pointer को drawing area पे click and drag करोगे, your call out shape will be drawn on the screen. So now clear how you will create a call out shape in Paint? So please, this answer is not very big. Please revise it and learn it. Next one is question number 4. Which file format is best suited for rich color photographs? Means आपको कौन सा file format help करता है rich color photographs के लिए? See, all of you have remembered, आपको याद होगा that I had explained you about different file formats. Yes, PNG, then JPEG, TIFF. So these are the different file formats. Now here it is asked that which file format is suited best for rich color photographs. You have to explain it. So JPG is the most popular image file format as it supports around 16.7 million colors. Which is the best popular file format for rich color photographs? JPEG. And what is the full form of this JPEG? Joint Photographic Experts Group. So JPG is the most popular image file format as it supports how many colors? Around 16.7 million colors. Then next point says, though saving the image file in this format reduces the file size to about 5%. आपकी जो फाइल का साइज़ है वो कितना रिड्यूस करता है ये? 5% रिड्यूस करता है ऑफ इट्स नॉर्मल साइज. ओके, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट्स क्वालिटी ऑल्सो गेट अफेक्टेड. बट आपकी क्वालिटी भी क्या होती है? वो भी अफेक्ट होती है. मीन्स उसकी क्वालिटी फिर आपको अच्छी नहीं मिलेगी. ओके, देन JPG फॉर्मेट इज़ आइडल फॉर रिच कलर फोटोग्राफ्स. येस, नाउ वी हैव अंडरस्टैंड इट. ये आपको समझ में आ गया दैट JPG इज़ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर इमेज फाइल फॉर्मेट. एंड हाउ मेनी कलर्स इट सपोर्ट? ये कितने कलर सपोर्ट करता है? इट सपोर्ट्स अराउंड 16.7 मिलियन कलर्स. ओके, so please learn this. If you still have any problem in learning this, I will help you and make you revise it again. Now the next question is, what do you mean by zooming a picture? Zooming a picture means to increase or decrease the view size of the object on the screen in any ratio. Zooming means क्या होता है? आप जो पिक्चर है उसकी साइज़ को इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज कर रहे हो. ओके, नाउ लेट मी शो इट यू ऑन द स्क्रीन. See, suppose we have drawn a cloud call out shape here. Now with the help of zoom button, see, this one is your zoom slider bar. Now when you increase it, means when you click on this plus sign, you will find that your image has been, the size of the image has been increased. आप देखो आपकी जो ऑब्जेक्ट था यहाँ पर, आपकी जो इमेज है उसकी साइज़ इंक्रीज हो गई है. Yes, so zooming a picture means to increase or decrease the view size of the object on the screen in any ratio. Now यहाँ पे देखो आप इसका रेशियो कितना है? 200. Yes, so you can increase and decrease the view size of the object on the screen in any ratio. This is known as your zooming. So today we have revised your question answers. Answer the following. Lesson number 9, Fun with Paint. Please learn it today itself so that it won't create a problem for you afterwards. Okay. So I hope chapter 9 is completed now. From tomorrow onwards, tomorrow I will send you the sample paper question answers. So please complete those question answers in your notebook and exercise in your book. Okay. Then day after tomorrow we will start revising the next chapter. So this much for today. Thank you.